In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Shein's official rewards program and make the most of it. If you love shopping on Shein, enrolling in their rewards program is an absolute must. It's a fantastic way to earn points, which you can later redeem for gift cards and use them to purchase items essentially for free. Let's dive into how you can get started and maximize these rewards. First things first, let's join Shein's rewards program. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account on their website or app. It's pretty straightforward. Head over to Shein's website or download the app on your smartphone if you prefer shopping on the go. From there, look for the Sign Up or Join Now button. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once you've completed this, you'll have access to all the features offered by the platform, including the rewards program. Once that's done, it's time to explore the tasks and activities within the program that help you accumulate points. These usually include actions like completing tasks and surveys, as well as reviewing products you've purchased. Every task you complete earns you a set amount of points, so it's wise to check regularly for new tasks and offers. The surveys are typically quite brief and straightforward. Make sure you're honest with your answers, as this helps Shein improve its services while you earn your rewards. Another great way to rack up points is by reviewing products. Whenever you buy something from Shein and receive it, take a moment to write a review. It doesn't take long, and not only do you help the community make informed choices, but you also earn some extra points for each review that meets their guidelines. Make sure to share your genuine thoughts about the product and include a photo if possible, as this often gives you even more points. Once you've accumulated a healthy amount of points, you're ready to redeem them for gift cards. The process is really simple. Navigate to the rewards section and look for the option where you can convert your points into a Shein gift card. The value of the gift card will depend on how many points you've collected. It's wise to check frequently, as these conversions often update and you don't want to miss out on a great deal. Finally, with your newly acquired gift card, head over to Shein's shopping section and start adding items to your cart. This is where the magic happens. When you're at checkout, you can apply your gift card to cover the cost of your shopping. This way, you can essentially get products for free or at a significantly reduced price. It's a win-win situation where you enjoy the items you love while saving money, and there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize Shein's rewards program to its fullest. By completing tasks, surveys, and reviews, you'll rapidly accumulate points, redeem them for gift cards, and make your purchases more affordable. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you dive into your rewarding journey with Shein. Happy shopping!